Hey there! In today's video, we're going to craft a captivating hero section inspired by Tesla's design principles using Beaver Builder. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tutorials on mastering WordPress page builders. Let's get started. Before we jump into the design process, let's take a moment to talk about why we like Tesla's hero section. Tesla's hero section is a prime example of minimalist design. The copy is concise, highlighting the most crucial features of their products. Notice how the buttons are strategically placed and well-designed. They're easily visible without overshadowing the sleek imagery of the cars, which is ultimately what they're selling. Now that we understand what makes Tesla's hero section so great, let's start designing our version using WordPress Beaver Builder. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and create a new page or edit an existing one where you want to add your hero section. And click on Edit with Beaver Builder to enter the Beaver Builder editor. Go to the Style tab. Here you can upload a background image that fits the theme of your hero section. As you can see, the header and the background are not overlaid, but first let's just set up the hero section before the header. Drag and drop a heading widget onto your section. Customize the text to highlight your message. You can also add a subheading to provide more context. You can play around with the layout and design to suit your preferences, but I want it to look more like Tesla's hero section. Dive into the Style tab and Advanced Settings to see just how easy and awesome it is to build a website in Beaver Builder. Add a column container for the placement of the button. Add call to action buttons. Simply drag and drop the button widget onto your section and customize it with your desired text and styling. Under the CTA button, add text. Beaver Builder offers extensive design and typography options. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and spacing to achieve the desired look and feel for your hero section. So now let's move into creating an overlay header. Let's customize a menu under Appearance. Select Menus and add a new item. After adding an item, click Publish to be able to save your added menu. Next, go to the header builder and remove the primary menu to disable the white header on top. If you've made it this far in the video, please do us a huge favor and smash that like button. It will really help us reach more people with our tutorials. Okay, now back to the tutorial. Back to the main page, Hero section. Let's add a logo, menu, and icons. But before adding those elements, let's add a container and add 3 columns inside the container to be found on the row's right side of the module. Then, navigate to the advanced settings to adjust the layout, specifically the padding. Make any necessary adjustments to the styles. And there you have it, a hero section supercharged Tesla's design. If this video revved up your interest, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe, as it will help us zoom past more viewers. Many thanks. Got any queries or feedback? Leave them below and we'll get back to you.